My name is Doug Bilderback and I am your presenter today. Our topic is AR credit and collections tips and tricks. So I'm going to come down here to our main sample company. If you've got the order entry module, and a lot of people who are dealing with credit and collections do have order entry, when you go to place an order for an account that you're going to exceed their credit limit on, you'll get a message and you'll have to put the order on hold. So it's going to stop the order from being further processed, no shipping, no invoicing on that order. So you can take the request from the customer. We'll just use Mr. Ronald Black. Now, before I get into placing the order, I can do an inquiry, a credit check here. So there's my customer inquiry. I can actually look at their credit status here and go, what's their outstanding balance? And in this sample company, I can look at here on the tax and sales. Okay, so they've got a credit limit of $20,000 and their credit status is $138,000. So we for sure are not going to pass a credit limit check on here. And if I do it's going to tell me check the credit in for that customer. All right, so if I come in here and try and place an order, A11030, and we'll just order, say, 10 units here, and I'll post the order. Okay, I should have gotten a credit limit warning on here. Let me see if I can manufacture something. Maybe if I just go okay, I should have gotten, I must have done some kind of turn off on the customer. Oh, yeah. There we go. Save, close, post. Let me reopen this. There we go, the credit limit check. So when the customer is properly set up, you should get a credit check screen here saying, hey, you are way over the balance. So our outstanding balance, we've exceeded the credit limit here. I just kind of jacked it up way amount. So you would have to have somebody who got the right credentials in order entry to approve credit, and they would have to put in their credentials here. And this would have to be, by the way, a Sage username and password. So those of you who are using Windows authentication to log into Sage would actually need to have your credit approvers use the both authentication types. So their regular usage could still be Windows, but then they have a Sage user ID and password in the system that they would then put in here to override the credit limit should you need to do that. All right, so not going to post that order. That's one of the main checks right there, is just making sure that your credit is on. So again, making sure that this checkbox is checked, a credit limit is appropriate, and then you can use the override function in the credit warning screen down in order entry. And so that will place orders on hold. So if we wanted to actually post that order, we would have to click the hold tag and we could post the order going forward. And then we could put a reason for hold in there as well. Now, in addition to the credit limit functionality here, of course, you have things like the on hold flag. So if you've got lots of collection issues, you can just put the entire customer on hold, and that is going to prevent new transactions from happening. And by new transactions, I mean invoices, orders, invoices, those kinds of things. It will still permit the customer to make a payment on their account to try and bring their account into good standing. I will thank you all for a great day. If you've got suggestions for future sessions, hey, send them in either to myself or into support@Equation Tech. My information is right here on the screen. Give me a call, shoot me an email, send something into support@Equation Tech. We'd be happy to take your input and create a webinar out of it. Wish you a lot of sunshine out there. Talk to you later. Take care. Bye-bye.